Hello guys, and in today's video we are going to make a table saw station and a router station with included storage. I start as always cutting a lot of wood. I'm cutting all the parts for the structure of the table. For joining, I'm using pocket holes. I'm assembling the base. For preventing the wood to shift on me, I'm using a clamp. I put the legs and I need to buy the correct clamp for pocket holes, because here was a little bit difficult to hold in place. I'm screwing the top parts. And I screw the casters on the base. For the top of the table, I'm using 20mm poplar plywood. And I'm placing the T-track that I bought from Banggood. With the combination square and rulers, I traced the location for the table saw, the T-track and the router plate. I'm routing the groove with light passes for the T-track with the plunge router and a straight bit. Now I'm going to route the second one. With the track saw, I cut where I'm going to place the table saw and finish the cut in the corners with the jigsaw. I use the part that I cut for the base of the table saw. And with a little bit of invention, using a lot of scrap wood, in the bottom of the table saw we put it flush with the surface. And after I make a simple structure to hold the saw in place. I checked if the fence and the blade were parallels, and I start pre-drilling with a self-centering bit and screw the T-track down. Now, with a Forstner bit, I drill 4 holes in the corners, and with the jigsaw I cut out the part. After, with the router, I make a groove to sit the plate flush with the surface. I'm going to stick on the T-track the ruler, so I can move the fence of my table saw without a tape measure for doing a cut. I cut my logo on a piece of vinyl . I'm going to use this for a stencil. I put the transfer paper and stick it on the table. And I protect the rest of the table with cardboard and masking tape, so I can use spray paint. While the paint dries, I'm screwing the router on the plate. I use the self-centering bit to mark where I need to drill the holes, where I can put 4 threaded inserts that I can use for leveling the plate and also for screwing the plate down to the table. Finally, I sand everything and apply a few coats of finish. So I level the support piece and I screw it in place. I cut a shelf out of 10mm OSB and screw it on the support. I'm building a box for the router when I can collect the dust. And because the material is thin, I'm going to use nails instead of screws, because I don't have on hand little screws. I'm going to cut a few strips of OSB for the sides of my drawer, and with the router I cut a groove where I can put a 4mm plywood for the bottom of the drawer, and I assemble everything with my nail gun. Now I'm making the drawer for all the router bits that I own. I'm tracing where I'm going to do a 15mm holes for the bits holder that I 3D print. And so I assemble the structure of the drawer with nails. Finally, I'm going to attach the back panel, the sides panels and the front panels for the drawer. Also with the 3D printer I print the door handles and I install them. I finish with a lot of sanding and apply 2 coats of beeswax and the project is done. So let me know what do you think down in the comment below. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and please subscribe and put a thumbs up. And I'm really happy of the result I'm really happy for the result of this station, and I'm going to use this station a lot on my project. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see in the next one. Bye!